Introduction. Friends, I'm fond of collecting coins. I have my piggy bank filled with lots of coins. Today we'll do something interesting. We will collect information of total number of 1, 2 and 5 rupee coins present in this piggy bank. We have 3 1 rupee coins, 5 2 rupees coins and 10 5 rupees coins. Wow! That's a lot of money. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to collect information of different things from the group. Answer the questions based on the group. Have you played this game before? Yes, it's the snake and ladder game. We will count the number of snakes and ladders seen on this board. Count with me. First, let us count and write the total number of snakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 snakes. Now we count the total number of ladders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 ladders. How many dice do you see here? There are 2 dice. Today we all friends are planning to play cricket. Meet my friends, Ricky, Maria, Maddie and Minty. Let us play a game with their names first. How many names end with the same alphabet Y? 3 names end with the same alphabet Y. Ricky, Maddie and Minty. And how many names start with the same alphabet? Name the alphabet. Yes, 3 names. Maria, Maddie and Minty begin with same alphabet M. Look at the diagram that shows the arrangement of computers in your computer school. Look at the plan and then answer the questions that follow. How many computers are there in the room 1? There are 9 computers in room 1. How many computers are there in the room 2? There are 3 computers in room 2. How many total computers are present in school? There are total 12 computers in the school. It's so pleasant morning. Look at the birds near the branch of tree. We will now find the data of birds from this tree. There are 2 birds which are flying and 5 birds which are sitting on the tree. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. We can count the number of different objects in a group. We can write the total number of objects in a group.
Goodbye.